Welcome back to my channel Studies Forever. In today's video, 2nd standard unit 2 chapter 2 numbers. In that today we shall go for before and after numbers. Here you see examples. Complete the blanks with the numbers from 47 to 54 in order. See, just you have to complete these numbers. What is here first? 47, 48. Here you write down 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and last 55. Here you see example 4. Here the numbers are in the series, that 31 to 40. Here 11 to 20 means you have to write 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 already it is there, 19, 20. Same like this 71, 72, 73 till 80. Now we'll go for page number 62. Third one, that is 21 to 30, 51 to 60, 91 to 99, 61, 62, here go, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, last. Okay, next we'll go for page number 63. Here you see example 3. Here see 29 is there. Here the numbers are not there. So these numbers are called before numbers and these are called after numbers. So before 29, what comes? 28. Before 28, 27. After number 29 after 30, 31. So 32 before number is 31, 31 before number is 30, 29 after number is 30. So 32 after 33. I hope you understood. Here you go for same method and write down the numbers. 54 before number 53. So go 55, 56, 57, 58. Okay, next we move for page number 64. Here you see second one. I told you 44 is here before number 43. Then go 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Here 70 is there. So before number what comes? 69, 68, 67. After you write down 71, 72. Here 82 before, 81, 80. Here you write down 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Now we go for page number 65. Here you see, here are the blanks there, boxes. Only 40 and 39, 40 is there. The arrow mark is showing this way. Means we have to find out the before number. Before 39 what comes? 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. So I hope you understood. So in same way you go for these 3. Here 59 means 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51, 50. Here also you go 79, same thing. So here you see before, after and between numbers. We already have studied about the before numbers. Now we go for after numbers and between numbers. See here one example. Here is Amar, Sunil and Kiran. Sunil is here. So Sunil's before, who is here? Amar. Sunil's after Kiran. In between Amar and Kiran is Sunil. So we go for page number 66. Page number 66. Now let us know more. See here. 30, 31, 32. In these three, 31 is between 30 and 32. 30 is before 31. 32 is after 31. So which number comes before 31? 30. Which number comes before 32? 31. Which number comes after 31? After 31? 32. Which number comes after 30? 31. Which number comes between? Between means in middle. Middle number. 30 and 32 is 31. Here you see, example is there. Here you see 34, 35. Here 40 means before number what comes? 39. 19 means 18. 28 means 27. You go 27, 28. 55 means before 54. 81 means 80. 78 means 77. Here you go. Same thing after numbers this. 98 after 99. 64 after 65. 24 after 25. 32 after 33. 70 after 71. 19 after 20. Now you see. Fill in the blanks. Page number 67. 78 comes before 79. The number between 6 and 8 is what comes between there? 6 after 7, 8. 7. 98 comes after 97. 50 comes after 49. 36 comes before 37. 48 is in between 47 and 49. 39 comes before 40. Here we go for write the suitable missing numbers. Only I will tell children you should write 51, 52, 53. So here 61 is there. So what comes before 60, 61, 62. 74 before number 73, 74, 75. Here 90, 90 before number is 89, 88. 54, 55, 55 after number is 56. 95 before number is 94. 94 before number is 93. Write the missing middle numbers. 57 after 58. 59. 44, 45, 46. 96, 97, 98. 31, 32, 33. 16, 17, 18. 89, 90, 91. So here you go. Write the number that comes after the given number. See, this was between means middle number. This was missing suitable numbers. Here you see after number 10 after 11. 10 after 11. 21 after 22. 52 after 53. So you fill this one. Now here. Write the numbers comes before. Before 11 before what comes? 10. 37 before 36. 29 before 28. These three you fill yourself. Now complete this exercise. Write the before number, write the between number, write the after number. Before you write down 16 before 15. So write down likewise 25 before 24. 38 before 37, 51 before 50, 69 before 68, 74 before 73. So middle number, between number, 13 after, it is very easy to find the middle number. See here what the first number is there. After that number you have to write. 13 after 14, 48 after 49, 59 after 60, 86 after 87, 41 after 42. 95 after 96. After number it is easy like this. Same 90, 20. 90 after 20. 26, 27. 35, 36. 66, 67. 71, 72. 90, 91. Here we go for the big and the small numbers. Go for page number 70. Here you see 3, 6. So how many leaves are there in a leaflet there? 1, 2, 3. So here 6 are there. In these two, which is greater number? 6 is greater, 3 is smaller. So here we go. One example is there, page number 70. Count the beats on abacus, write the number below and circle the big number. See, 4, here 4 beats, 4 in tens place. In unit place 8, that is 48. Here 3 in tens place, 4 in units place 34. In these two, which is greater, 48, 34? 48 is greater. Now we go for here. Count and do there. How many bits in unit place? 1, 2, 3. Tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 53. Here 1, 2, 3. In units place. Tens place 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 73. So in this, which is greater number? Here 53, here 73. So 73 is the greater. Remaining these 3 you do yourself. Here we go for page number 72. Here you see, you have to encircle the smaller number. Encircle the smaller number. Count and do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48. Here you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 74. Now tell me in these two, 48, 74, which is smaller? In these two, 48 is smaller. So do as it is this 3. Now here we go for page number 73. Write the small number in a box from given 2 numbers. See here 2 numbers are given, 16 and 18. In these two, which is smaller? Smaller means lesser number. 16 is smaller. Here 71, 78, which is smaller? 71. So remaining you do yourself. Here circle the small number in the box. Circle there. 64, 69. Which is smaller? 64 is smaller. 35, 36. 35 is smaller. 19, 17. See, here you see 19, 17. 17 is smaller. Don't think that before number always be smaller. See here. Here after number also smaller. Circle the big number in the box. So, 44, 33. Big number. Big. 15, 19. 19 is the biggest. Bigger than 15. Here 17, 19. 19 is bigger than 17. Here these 3 you do. Here 3 numbers are there. Write the bigger number in the box. See 31, 36. Among these two, which is bigger? 36 is bigger. These 3 you do yourself. We go for page number 74. 74 is the biggest and the smallest number. Same. Bigger number and smaller number. Here you go. Count the bits on the abacus and write the number below. Color the biggest number with blue color and smaller with red color. See, bigger number with the blue color and smaller number with the red color. Better you use the crayons, children, here. Take red color crayon and blue color crayon with you. See, in this one, you see, just count 41, 36 and 45. Tell me which is bigger in this. Write down. First you write down here. 41, 36, 45. Now Among these three, you see which is smallest? Smaller number you should, this one. This you have to do with red color with the red. In these two, which is bigger? This one you do with the blue color. This you do yourself. Here we go for page number 76. Same it is. You do this one. Count the beads and write down there. Here already it has given here. The beads already has counted, but you have to count here beads. I'll show you one example. See here. How many beads are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 5. Here 3. Here 6. So write down 26, 52, 63. Okay. Now which is smallest number in these three? This is the smallest number. Color with red crayon. And which is biggest among these three? 63. Color with blue crayon. Now we go for page number 77. So 77 page number you see. Just pick the biggest number in the given figures. Biggest number. See here. 59, 63, 60. Which is the biggest number? 63 is the biggest number. 32, 26, 26. Biggest number. Among these three, which is biggest? 19. You do these three. Here we go. Example. Circle the smallest number in the given numbers. Smallest. Which one? 51, 39, 48. 39 is smallest. 16, 19, 21. 16 is smallest. Remaining 4 you do yourself. Now go for page number 78. See children, ascending order and descending order. Ascending means small to big number. Then descending means big to small number. Here you see. See ascending order. Here it is given 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. You have to write this in the ascending means small to big it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is ascending. Descending means big to small numbers. Here arrange the numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big number. So here you see 2, 42, 12, 22 is given. You have to write these numbers in ascending order. First you take in these 4 numbers which is smaller? 2. Okay. Now leave this 2. Leave this 2. Then in these 2 which is smaller? 12. So write down 12. Now 2 you leave, 12 you leave. Remaining what there? 42, 22. In these 2 which is smaller? 22. Lastly remaining is 42. Okay children, I hope you understood. Here we go. Page number 80. Here you see. One I will show. Remaining 2 you do yourself. Arrange 40, 80, 60, 20 in ascending order. Ascending order means small to big. In this which is smallest number? 20. 20 means you leave this 20. Only you see these 3 numbers. In this which is smallest? 40. Okay, then leave 40 there. Leave 20 there. Remaining 80 and 60. In these 2 which is smallest? 60. Last remains 80. Understood? These 2 you do. Practice yourself. Now here arrange this number in ascending order, that is small to big. In these 3 which is smallest number? 46. After 46, 52. After 52, 59, 61. 1. This you practice yourself. Then next, descending order. Descending order means big to small. First you have to write biggest number, then little biggest, then little biggest, then smallest number. Here we go. Arrange 42, 6, 48, 18 in descending order. Descending means I told you. You have to see in these which is biggest number. Which is biggest? 48. After 48 in these three, which is biggest? 42. Leave 42. In 6 and 18, which is biggest? 18. After 18, 6. So, this you practice yourself. Here you see, here 42, 48, 56, 38. Write this in descending order. Which is biggest one? 56. After 56, 48. After 48, 42. After 42, 38. So, practice this yourself. Big to small. Now we go for to form numbers from given digits. See how to form numbers from given digits. Now come fill in the blanks. See here, the biggest two-digit number that can be formed using 3 and 5. Biggest number using 3 and 5. Which one? In 3 and 5, which is first biggest number? 5. After 5, 3. That is 53. Now, the biggest two-digit number that can be formed using 7 and 2. Which is in 7 and 2, which is biggest number? Which is biggest? 7. Then write down 2. That is 72. The smallest two-digit number that can be formed using 6 and 5. Smallest. In these two, which is smaller number? 5. 6 and 5. In this, 5 is smaller than 6. So, write down 5 first. Then 6. That is 56. Now, we go for number line. See here, children. In page number 85. So, number line it is there. I'll tell you what is number line. Just you have to observe the picture here. What is given. Mamta has arranged. This girl is Mamta. She has arranged her toys in a line. In a line she has arranged. Here you see. She has arranged. So, first what Mamta has arranged there? One doll. Next table fan. Next a toy. Next bus. Next that dog, and next a ball there. So she has arranged one by one her toys. In first number the ball, second dog on that one small dog there, then bus, then fourth toy, that is small doll, then sixth a fan, and fifth a fan, and sixth a doll there. See which is the first toy? Ball. Yes, ball. Which is the fourth toy? That is, fourth toy is not, that is teddy bear. Where is the fan placed? In place sixth. Sorry, in fifth place. The line drawn by Mamta's brother is as follows. Here you see, we go for page number 86. From the pillar, see this is a number line. The origin of the number be a 0, marked as 0, starting point. Later, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. See, the line is drawn starting from the pillar. See, the line is drawn starting from the pillar. The starting point is marked as 0. Then marks are made at equal distance on the line. Equal distance, see, equal. Here to here 1, here to here 2, here to here 3. Each marking is given a number in order. See, given in the order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. starting from the starting point. This is called a number line. This is called a number line. Here you see, observe the number line, write the missing numbers. See here, the number line is given, started from the starting point 0, 1, 2. What comes here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope you understood this. Same here, what are the numbers missing in the number line? You write down yourself. I hope you understood this lesson. Here it completes the lesson number. That is lesson 2 number. So I hope you understood this lesson. I hope you liked my video here. So please, if you like my video, please do share, like and subscribe my channel. And if you want to find any videos, please go through the playlist.